Hello YouTube, welcome back to Creator Network. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to download the YouTube Starter Pack made by Creator Network. So let's go to how to download. So the first thing you must do, you must be a member of Creator Network's Discord server. How to download. Then you'll navigate to how to download the YouTube Starter Pack, and in here you will see how to download the YouTube Starter Pack. This link will direct you to the download link. Basically it shows you what you must do. You must be a member of Creator Network. Click the link to be redirected to download page of the YouTube Starter Pack. So we're going to do that. On here you go use direct link, so we'll click download and it will start. So I already downloaded it, so we don't need to download it again. So what we're going to do, when downloaded, it will appear in downloads. So you go to navigate to downloads folder, which is this is my download folder. Then you can go to right click on the file and extract to Creator_Network. Extract. And as you can see, it's started. After it's finished, you will have a folder up here. That's the same, but it's a Windows file. Open that. Inside you will find the pack, and there you have it. All of this is the YouTube Starter Pack. So you have editing overlays, editing software, or there's only one in editing software by the time you see this. Film burns, music overlays, particles overlays, scratches overlays, sound effects, streaming assets, targets, scope effects, thumbnail assets, transitions, and a readme. You want to read me before anything else. You want to read me, okay? Click the read me. Alright. Close that down. And you have completed the download. So, I want to say a big thank you to everyone who's been watching this. Also, please subscribe to the Creator Network. We'll be dropping the download, which will be on the 5th of December. There'll be a download link